announcement. We have a happy birthday for Sergio from the royal family. Yes, Sergio. Sergio, tell us what it's like to be 17 in America.
Feels good. Feels good. Feels very normal.
How many other people here are 17 in America? How many people here are 37 in America? How many people here are 67 in America? Well, on behalf of the Barnum Festival and the 2013 Royal Court over here, I want to welcome you all. You are the intrepid travelers. As you can see, we're not traveling very far. The captain tells me that if we were traveling very far, very shortly, it wouldn't be so great. But I want to thank you all for coming out tonight on our Barnum Docked at the Sound. It's a good place to be. We're happy you're all here. We hope everybody has a good time. We know we have a great band. So anyway, I want you all to take time to meet my royal court. These are my kids. They're an amazing bunch of young men and women, actually, and been very, very inspiring to us. I want you to also give a shout out to the person who really makes all this happen, and that's my husband, Dennis Murphy. I want to thank the Bridgeport Fort Jefferson Ferry who donates the boat tonight and also donates all the wine and beer. Drink it up, drink it up. Catering by my good friend,